You know what? I stand on the sole reason, literally the soil reason, how scientists got to understand how Ram and his Sena would have built the bridge from there to way apart to Lanka, having the sea in between. This is how. So this is specifically a piece of land where water pushes the sand into a certain position and it forms land. That sand deposition forms land and the water level goes down, so you can see a whole stretch of land, and in between such pieces is where the whole bridge was constructed from here to there. I've been here for multiple times, multiple seasons, and never had got a chance to get down here because whenever I had come, the water level was till the stones. And this time it is down. And now I can come down. So yeah, I'll show you. So this place that you see right now is the kind of motion the water will create. Underneath there is construction happening, technically construction happening. The water is actually building the land underneath this. See here. Now when the water level will rise, people will think there's no land here. Now if you see there's land built in. It takes a lot of time for this to be built. Now water coming from there will bring sand with it, and while crossing from this side to that side will deposit the sand in between. Now when the water level will go more down, you will see a stretch of land been made till there. So yep, this is exactly how it is made, and I get to see it today. Because of this piece of land is why you see that currents, the waves going crisscross pattern. It's not the wind doing this, it's the land underneath doing this. And obviously the two different flows. What is clear here?